Hello and welcome to You. I'm the Budget Boss, and today we're going to talk about something a little different but the same. We're going to talk about financial harmony. When I say financial harmony, or thinking of it as like those beginning, intricate first stages before you even start to create the budget, these are some things to consider before you even go down that path of budget mastery. What do you need to think about to make sure you're ready for that process? So first up, you want to assess your relationship with the budget and your relationship with money. What do you think of when you think of money? How do you feel about it? What do you think of when you hear financial security or anything like that? What are your financial values? Is money like this thing that, well, I just use it to get stuff done and that's it? Do you feel limitations on money? Do you feel abundant with money? What's your mindset surrounding money and budgeting and finances? It is very important to establish this so that you have a starting point as you move forward in your financial journey and all the things that we'll encounter as we maneuver through finances and money and dealing with expenses and all of that. So what are your financial values? Next is goal setting. Goal setting is important for every aspect of life, but in particular for finances, it is very important to know what are your initial goals, because you'll arrive at a goal, but then you should still set more goals, have short-term and long-term goals, so that you always have something that you're working towards and that you're building towards. So what are your financial goals? And like, for example, with a recipe, be detailed, write it down. Like if you go to the store and you just say chocolate chip cookies, and you never made chocolate chip cookies before, if you don't have a detailed list of all the things that go into that recipe, you're gonna have a mess. You're not gonna get to the chocolate chip cookies, okay? So you need to make the plan, make it plain, and write it down so that you are able to go and do what it says and reach those milestones that you set for yourself. So if you want to go on a certain kind of vacation, be specific. What kind of resort you're gonna stay at? What does your room look like? How do you want to eat while you're on vacation? Are you gonna go to the grocery store and cook your meals? You're gonna go to the restaurant? What are you gonna do? Write it all down so you can account for it and you can build the proper budget for that vacation or for whatever that goal is. And finally, writing down and getting everything together of what do I have on my plate? What is my income? What are my expenses? What am I responsible for? All of those things will come into play as you start to move from having your values set and knowing what you think about money and about budgeting and about finances, to what are my goals? What do I want to do? To, okay, well, where am I? Where do I stand right now with all of my income, with all my expenses, with everything that I got going on? Where am I in comparison to where I want to be and where I'm trying to go? So this was just a quick video just to get us thinking about financial harmony and how to start the process of getting into those finances, getting into our thoughts about what does it mean? What is all of this anyway? So that we can start to craft this beautiful financial plan, which starts with the foundation of a budget. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and join our community of money masters and budget bosses. And say it with me now. I'm a budget boss. I'm a budget boss. See you later.